Hey, it's Grace, mindfulness expert here at Brother Be Well. When was the last time you went outside? Really went outside, not just to go somewhere, but to spend time in nature. Sitting by a tree, sitting on the grass, or just allowing the sun to touch your face. All of these natural elements have such power within them. Think about how healing Mother Earth is. It gives us medicine. It allows our mental space to clear every time we step into it. But living in cities can really limit our exposure to nature. We were not made to sit inside. So I challenge you to spend at least 10 minutes sitting next to a tree or just sitting in the sun, maybe on the sand. Notice what it feels like to place your feet barefoot on Mother Nature, dirt, grass, sand, whatever, and wiggle your toes. I know it's weird, we're not used to it, we like shoes, but try it. There is a grounding element when we put our bare feet on the ground. Even touching it with your hands can help feed in that energy into your body. It's healing, it's powerful, but you need to open yourself up to receive its benefits. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed, especially, try going outside and notice how that might shift your mood. It's here for a reason, and Mother Earth will serve us if we let it. I'm Grace, and remember, brother, be well.